Welcome to the JDisc Discovery video channel. My name is Robbie, and today I would like to talk about how to scan the EntraID and how to use Intune-based LAPS. In our last video, we walked you through the process of setting up an application in the Azure portal and configuring access in JDisc Discovery. If you missed it, be sure to check it out. Today, we are going to create a discovery job for the Azure cloud run the scan. When you install JDisc Discovery, a default discovery job called Discover All is automatically created, scanning everything in your environment. While this is useful for initial setup, creating a dedicated discovery job that focuses solely on scanning the cloud is often more efficient. So let's open the discovery configuration. Now let's select the Discovery Jobs tab and use the context menu to create a new job, naming it Cloud Scan. Next, select the newly created job, enable Cloud Discovery for it, and click OK to save the changes. Now let's start the first cloud scan by clicking the Start button and selecting our newly created Cloud Scanner job. The Cloud tab in the Status area will display the scan's progress. Depending on the size of your cloud environment, this process may take some time. JDisc Discovery connects using the Microsoft Graph API to obtain the desired information. Let's review the collected data once the scan is finished. Now, let's take a look at the scan data. Open the Cloud Explorer to review the collected information. Once fully configured, JDisc Discovery retrieves detailed insights into the directory structure. Intune Managed Devices. Microsoft 365 usage. And subscriptions including book services like storage, databases, and virtual machines. Now let's have a deeper look into the detected EntraID structure. When we scan EntraID, then we determine the list of EntraID administrative units. Microsoft 365 groups and security groups. For all items, we collect the list of associated devices, where applicable. The list of users and associated groups. Intune Managed Devices can be configured to use LAPS, Local Administrator Password Solution, which ensures that each device maintains a unique local administrator password. Additionally, LAPS automatically rotates these passwords at regular intervals, enhancing security and simplifying management. When Intune Managed laptops connect to the corporate network, we can scan them directly with full administrative access. While Intune delivers some basic device information, only a full scan gets all the details for a device. To perform a proper scan, we need valid access credentials. Thanks to LAPS, obtaining these credentials is straightforward. We can request the current local administrator username and password using the Microsoft Graph API. Post-scan, the device discovery log reflects that the scan was completed using credentials obtained via the Microsoft Graph API. By leveraging LAPS in conjunction with Intune and JDisc Discovery, the entire process of credential management and device scanning becomes more efficient, secure, and streamlined. Our enhanced new EntraID Discovery gets you all the information you need to document your Azure-hosted infrastructure and devices. It gets you the EntraID structures and relationships, EntraID users and groups, Azure subscriptions, and its allocated resources like virtual machines, storage, or services like database services, the list of Intune Managed Devices. Finally, we can leverage Intune Managed LAPS to simplify the credential management when scanning devices. Thank you for watching this video, and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Get our software from your download page and find more videos on our YouTube channels. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn.